Are you taking a cruise out of Port Canaveral? Are you coming in a day early? Well, we think that we found the sweet spot for that pre-cruise overnight stay that won't break the bank and is reasonably close to the terminals. That hotel is SpringHill Suites by Marriott Cape Canaveral, Cocoa Beach. We stayed here recently, and we will tell you why we believe that this is the perfect location. Let's dive in. There was plenty of parking and it was all free. Once you enter the lobby area, it was clean and had plenty of space for other guests. You can head straight to the back to the elevators. Our room, 623, had more than enough space for the four of us. It was nicely decorated. There was a sleeper sofa, a coffee maker area where I eventually just laid out all of our papers. There was a desk, there was a chair, 2 TVs, and 2 full-size beds in 1 bathroom. And a full-size mirror that I absolutely love. We did find the bathroom to be a little small, but it was doable since we only stayed one night. There was plenty of towels and washcloths for everyone. There was a large closet that we found to be useful to place our luggage so it wouldn't take up too much space in the room. There's that mirror again. We had a nice view of the water, and if you look below, there's more parking. I want to note that the rooms did not look like this when we arrived. This video was taken the next morning. We had a major flight delay and we didn't think that we were even going to make it. If you walk down the hall, we have a good view of the pool and surrounding properties. On our floor, there was a coin-operated washer and dryer. We think that this was a nice feature if you have last-minute mishaps or even took a dip in the pool the day before and wanted to wash and dry your swimsuit. Downstairs on the first level, you will find the breakfast area. Did I mention that was included? Walk a bit further and you will find yourself at the pool area and bar area. Down this hallway is the staging area for the shuttle. We'll talk about that in a minute. Notice that there are bathrooms. Walk a bit further and you will find the gym for those who like keeping in shape on vacation. I'm not sure what Irving is doing. Ha ha ha. So, back to the shuttle. The hotel shuttle is only $12 per person. That is the cheapest transport that I have seen from a hotel in the terminal area. To book the shuttle, it's a first come, first serve when you check in. We were a bit worried since our flight was delayed. We got there after 8 p.m. and was actually able to get the spots on the shuttle during the time that we wanted to go. The shuttle runs several times a day and is assigned by ship and terminal. Here's the cost breakdown. The hotel was $217. The transportation to the port terminal was $48 total, which is $12 per person. So for the cost of $265 for a family of 4 with breakfast included, we found this hotel to be perfect. For more tips and reviews, make sure to subscribe. Until next time, laptops down, passports out.